Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to incorporate a business in Canada. Firstly, to incorporate a company federally is a simple 5-step process. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, choose a unique name for your business. Make it follows the naming rules and it's not already in use. Prepare the legal document that establishes your corporation. This document defines your business structure and rules. Now, provide the official address of your corporation and list the names of your first directors. And you must declare who owns or controls your business, usually shareholders with significant interest. Now, finally, file all the documents and pay the required incorporation fee. And once complete, your corporation is officially registered and ready to operate. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.